Let's get started. Materials required: yarn and hook. First, do 4 chains. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain. Then slip stitch into the first chain. Let's start with round 1 with 3 chains. It will be counted as a DC. And then 18 DC in the whole. Okay, so total you will have 19 DC. After 19 DC, do slip stitch into the first DC. Okay. And you are done with round 1. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, count as double crochet. After 3 chains, 1 DC in the next chain, then 2 chains, again 1 DC in the next chain, then again 1 DC in the next chain, okay. So continue the same pattern, that is 2 chains and 2 DC in the next 2 chains. Okay, so the pattern is 2 DC, 2 chains, 2 DC, 2 chains. Okay, so we complete with the round 2. Now round 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do 2 DC in the 2 chain space. 1 and 2. Then do 2 chains and again 2 DC in the same space. 1, so again in the next 2 chain space, do 2 DC, 2 chains and 2 DC. So this will be the pattern for round 3. So when you reach the end of round 3, you will do 2 DC, 2 chains and only 1 DC, because 1 DC we had already created with 3 chains, and then slip stitch. So now let's do the last round, that is the fourth round. Fourth round, directly start with 6 DCs in the 2 chain space. Now slip stitch into the DC, then again 6 DCs in the next 2 chain space. Crochet this 2 chain space, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then slip stitch into this chain, then not in this, in this you have to put, okay? Then into this, okay, directly here. So like this you have to do 3, so 4. So after the completion of round 4, it will look like this. So do 1 chain and then cut the yarn. So your crochet coaster is ready. Thank you for watching. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.